So you're on your watch face, you scroll on down to your glance, open up Body Battery, and it looks very detailed. Little new graphic there, details, shows my stress, awesome. Scroll down again, it shows me all the workouts that I've done today. My sleep increased my body battery by 52 points. My morning walk lost 2 points. Afternoon walk lost a point. And then I did a long workout of bowling, billiards, and video game and walking around Fat Cats, lost 7 points. I think that's really cool. And I did not know it was there. I didn't have to do anything. It just showed up. And then after I did the update, naps just showed up as a glance as well. So pretty cool. I'm excited to see how it's going to look on here. And then also for the same thing, if you go under the app and open up Body Battery, you'll have those same details of what drained your energy that day. Pretty cool. And you can quickly adjust body battery, stress, and they have the nice graphs there. Pretty awesome. I'm excited. I've talked with a lot of people about Body Battery, and we all agree it's pretty accurate, especially when you wear the same watch all day. Okay, that's it. I'll have more about the Garmin EPIX 2, possibly the Garmin Enduro 2, and I might be getting the Garmin EPIX Pro with the torch, the bigger battery. We'll see what happens. That's all for now. I'm going to go walk on the treadmill on my quest for 14,000 steps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.